action block system that Google also announced not too long ago, a few weeks ago, which is essentially queued up assistant commands, but you can just touch them instead of having to speak them out or type them out. You create like predetermined commands.
Oh.
And then it has like a little visual cue that goes with it, and then you can just tap that, and then it does the command for you. So the action block itself is like a widget that is on the screen, or like on the home screen or whatever one of the panels that you choose to put it on. As most people understand with smartphones, you have like that screen that has all your apps. iPhone users might not know what a widget is because they don't have widgets really. But a widget is essentially like a piece of the app that is right on the main screen, so that and it's interactable right then there. The best thing to think of as a widget on the iPhone would be just like your I think they might have the clock on the screen. Maybe they just have it on the when the phone is turned off, like that clock thing. Imagine just like that clock, but on the home screen. And essentially, yeah, you are able to build a little widget that goes onto the home screen, and then you can type in what command you want Google Assistant to do. So for instance, if you want it to like tell a bedtime story, you can set that command to tell me a bedtime story, have it with this widget with a little visual cue, and it's designed so that people that have a bit more cognitive issues would be able to like recognize an image and understand what that image can do, and just like
So I see what you're saying. So you could program these for yourself, or if you have someone that has limited accessibility, whether sequencing is too complex or scanning through just an entire phone or an app's worth of visual data and information, find the right things and sequence through those, that you could just have that pre-programmed is very nice.
Yeah, here it gives a couple of examples. Action blocks will allow users, this is from Android Central, will allow users with cognitive disabilities to more easily complete involved tasks like ordering a ride or pulling up movies to watch.
I like that. Action blocks is what they're called.
Yes.
And it's specific to Google.
Yes, it's right now the Google is the one that is
the Google Assistant specifically.
Yeah, it's Google is building this for the Google Assistant.
Okay, so if you don't use Google Assistant, then this isn't something that is yet for you, I guess, or unless you switch to Google Assistant. This is a very nice feature, though.
So those are just a couple things, accessibility features that Google is working on, and yeah, that I like. Again, Google has some good things that it's doing, some not so great things that it does, and some mediocre things. Every company has its ups and downs, and this is definitely one of the better ones. Anytime it's easier for the world to be accessible, the better, I say. Thank you for watching Tech Talks. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.